How to order in McDonald's app. Let's get started. Launch your McDonald's app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Head over to the option of order. Now in this page, you're going to find the menu. From here, you can explore the menu and select the items that you want to order. Just go ahead and click on the order. Select it. Select the quantity and then click on add to order. Once we're done selecting the items and adding those items to the order, at the bottom left corner you will see the option of checkout now. Click on that option. So these are the items that I have selected. Now I can click on the option of next. How would you like to collect your meal? Select the option of takeaway or dine-in. Then click on add to order. Click on yes. Now here you're gonna find the order summary. Likewise, in this page you will find the location of restaurant as well as pickup. Now I can choose your payment method. Then you can click on pay now and start my order. And with that you have just made an order in McDonald's app. So this is how you can easily order in McDonald's app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.